viewers kan sobke global window de swagat kuri ase. Aji bishi important ekta topic logine ase etu non communicable disease. Etu laga opore ami khan kotha kobo. Etu non communicable disease to charta type ase. Charta ase etu cardiovascular disease or cancer, chronic respiratory disease or diabetes ase. Etu kan sob disease to it falls under National Program for Prevention and Control of Cancer, Diabetes, Cardiovascular Disease and Stroke. Etu NBCDCS koi. Holibi ita do National Program for Prevention and Control of Non-Communicable Disease NBNCD koi. Itu laga opore ami khan aji District Hospital Dimapur e hegine ase ite ami khan lode Dr. Manwin Konyak tai the Nodal Officer Dimapur NCD laga ase. Thank you so much for giving your time to Global Window.
Thank you so much. Good morning, and especially I thank the Global Window. Your team has come all the way just to make this public awareness on NCDs. Thank you so much.
Acha to Doctor apno the first question start kurule munjay. What are non-communicable diseases?
Yes, among non-communicable diseases ko adam de idu na bunja kide ami first communicable disease to ki ase etu first samjabo munjay so that ami kan NCD to ki ase jane bole karne communicable etu English term hi ase medical term etu bi noy communicable mane ekta bra ekta ke lagibo ami bra apni ke lagi dibo pare bemar etu laga communication process lagai bemar ase any common example amagan TB tuberculosis ko lungs la hobi ki brain laga hobi ki laga hobi etu communicable disease ekta ase khasi kura demde lagai dibo pare HIV another common example ase amagan through sexual intercourse noili bi blood transfusion ko demde blood transfusion donation kan camp do bisi kanda kotake hospital level de or else NGOs kan Red Cross kan obi Lions Club obi even in schools and colleges donation camp sometime conduct kore edu them they usually medical paramedics kan bra first HIV hepatitis kan first test kuri di donate kurubole la manu donor laga kile gole edu negative aha bijide amegan donate kuru pare we are free of such diseases edu bra apni by chance prabi edu test na kuri na donate kuna by chance apni ke takhise gole do through blood apni dusra manu ko bi lagai dibo edu to blood transfusion prabi ponchai dibo dusra manu ke edu laga ase so these are communicable diseases HIV nisna or TB nisna and many more examples eniga ase to edu laga opposite ami kan non communicable that means apni khasi bra libi blood transfusion dilibi needle prick kurilebi sex hoilebi kissing kurilebi edu kan bra nalagibo non communicable disease mane ami ke ki ase ami lagai ase dusra ke nalagibo edu lagai non communicable disease eniga la aman jani padu edu ase.
Okay, so which group of disease constitutes NCD matlab non-communicable disease?
Yes. Any primarily charta category ase amangan ko agi debi introduction de one is na cardiovascular ko dem amekan basically simple term de heart laga bimar ase heart laga bimar alag alag form de ase kono ba do heart laga muscle mangso hi komjuri hoise bole thik pra kam na gorile manu sas lobole dikdar pai chest pain hoi inega laga manifest kore noile ba heart te bera laga rusi khunni thik pra ne bera ne block hoise bole heart attack hobo pare cardiac arrest hobo pare noile ba heart laga dusra rusi nerve blood ne bera la rusi ase nerve ko e dokan de dikdar hoise bole heart beat ulda bulda hobo pare kiteba beshi hobo kiteba kumdi hobo e dokan be sas dikdar chest pain inega la alag alag manifest korbo to e dokan beshi ase hoile be common heart bimar kan e dokan ase second group of diseases amagan jana do cancer ase edia do aman national day noina Nagaland state te man prevalent ase beshi rising ase edo ki garne ase aman all of discuss korbo pasode to cancer ase cancer especially mota khan ge aman Nagaland state survey de baad mota khan ga do nasopharyngeal cancer beshi common ase goi nasopharyngeal man nak pra loigene kola dak to nak ta amakan chinu bara to sinus koi thake sinus cancer kan beshi ase throat laga cancer kan beshi ase kotha ki bra beshi precipitate korala maiki kan ase gole womb laga cervix laga cancer beshi common ase infection hobi dusra genetic hobi niga laga apart from that ki laga cancer bi hobo pare nari la bi hobo brain laga bi hobo hadi laga bi hobo pare niga la second group beshi prevalent no ado cancer ase NCD de third group do chronic lung disease আছে lung laga heart laga bimar nisna lung laga bimar bi ami koi dise TB nisna bimar do communicable disease আছে non communicable de akha do asthma common asthma nisna ami khan dusra bimar আছে COPD koi kene bi ekta bimar আছে more or less same আছে to asthma khan bi ami khan khasi gorile ki koribole lagibole lanoi nijor gehi taki jai do aro especially thanda samay aro dust allergy bra beshi increase kori di edo asthma bimar khan inia la chronic lung disease ase fourth diabetes sob manu jane high sugar diabetes mellitus koe edo diabetes ase apart from this four baki khan bi ase blindness bi include kore NCD de psychiatric mental bimar khan bi include kore obesity khan include kore BP high inika khan bishi ase bi edo charta group mostly constitute kore aman NCD group of diseases.
Acha to sir, what are the risk factor for NCD?
Risk factors koile yade bi ami ekta bojai de bole mon jado amahan risk factor ki ase causes ki ase edu janibo lage edia amahan cause of any diseases edia aman example TB la kotha korise TB has a cause bacteria ekta bra cause kore edu cause kora mycobacterium tuberculosis koe amakan beshi lai ase edu nisnai HIV do virus laga naam ase asol do bimar laga naam do amakan AIDS koe AIDS bimar korai dia virus ase HIV inega laga cause ase edu khan do to risk factor do alag ase risk factor gole do amakan directly bimar na korai dibo indirectly edu bra bishi korai dibo pare increase korai dibo pare edu nisnai 4-5 categories of risk factors ase edu NCD bimar khan garne number 1 tobacco in any form smokeless hobi solid form de hobi ki laga form de powder form de bi hobi tobacco product edu ekta ase second ase alcohol and its products third ase amagan unhygienic food eta do aman junk food kan bishi ase on the streets edu bi takan ge bon guribi noliba bakery no guribi unhygienic ase gwan hoy many people are running with the safe hygiene will be a certain limit take edu unhygienic food khan take unhealthy living as a magan sedentary lifestyles koe means amagan exercise nai khabo aibo jabo boibo gumabo uthibo edu laga life eko body de exercise nai inega brai amagan mota ho jaye obese ho jaye edu brai aro bishi increase kore fifth air pollution ase amagan Nagaland state ta man tangor factory aro industry do nai will be jaga bra amagan chum cultivation can be time de kora ina la smoke pra bi ek bar air pollution tara national level to koise kolo to manon factories beshi ase to chemicals pesticides laga smoke pra he do bra bi indirectly passively aman ge risk increase kori di so these are some of the risk factors edu risk factors are common to all of the NCD group of diseases sob karni bi more or less same risk factor he prevalent dagi ingalas
Okay, so how will the NCD manifest symptoms no will be sign la
oi edo idia ko anisna bimar group alag ase sob laga detail de jaile do theory ho jabo edo bra simple form de apni amian ko anisna number 1 de ni heart problem ase heart problem kuno bado chest pain hoine present koribo aro noile ba sas dikdar ase koikne breathing difficulty hobo kuno bado khun thik pra na jabra mata gurabo pare vomit bi kuro pare aro sometimes heart bimar khan undetected taka do odai gaw komjuri dakhi edu complain loine bishi ahe pura gaw komjur ase khabole mon nai birabole mon nai khumabole bi na bare ki kam korele dok pai jai fatigue koya magan na fatigue and generalized weakness idui bishi common dage amagan edu do dusra potassium calcium low ase ni ki bhavna kori lebi ekbar heart issue garne bi bishi ho jai to inegala heart can manifest in many ways commonly dia one is not chest pain breathing difficulty ho pare weakness ho pare fatigue ho pare dizziness ho pare matha kura inega kan heart problem bra manifest korobo lung ase gole similarly more or less same ase heart aro lung almost same jaga de ase khali exceptionally kunuba bimar de do cough bishi ho pare lung laga bimar ase gole cough spudam olabo pare no olabo pare cough hobo sometimes cough te khun bi olabo pare other than that to chest pain dakibo breathing difficulty dakibo tadebi aro weakness khan to dakibo enika laga lung or heart laga symptom sign to almost same ase diabetes amigan gon is na diabetes typically theory de jaise gole to diabetes kan to beshi pani bi beshi khaye baat bi beshi khabo takan edu nisnai latrine urine bi beshi juldi jabo edu nisnai takan la body de metabolism beshi high ase edu pra weight loss bi hoy to manokan beshi goy ami to baat beshi khaye hole bi moido komjori hoy ase edu to metabolic rate beshi high over body de eni kala diabetes to typical presentation to enia taki hole bi diabetes bi koan isna idia same alag alag form the present group pare diabetes kole to general bimar ase ki ke bi effect group pare organ kidney de bi liver de bi nerves de bi blood vessels of brain kan de bi effect ho pare edu nisnai alag alag presentation aibo diabetes laga aro aman dusra blindness kan ase psychiatric illness kan ase edu ase gole apan respective doctors kan ase takan hoje de chukula bimar do obvious dekhibo bhal bana dekha laga bikha laga chuku pani bishi olai iniala to inigala manifestation to aman depend kore to alag alag form de cancer laga koi jadam de initial detection to bishi digdar ase bishi hard ase facility na daga jaga de do kuno ba ini throat pain ase goine berai takhi sob sai amakan ENT kan bra bi sob sai di machine bra dusra doctor kan bra bi sai nerve laga doctor bra bi sai hoile bi pain to na jaine just recently bi amakan inya like the patient hoise amakan yede every department bra almost aise there was nothing inya one dai Guwahati de facility equipped taka de jaigine takan brai high fi testing kan gorigine tongue cancer detect kurise out of nowhere inya one detect kura de do operation kan kura la process de dai stroke hoine yede aine olop din dagine morise inya la cancer kan detect kuru de man sosta do noy because chronic duration laga ase itia cancer hobo idula noy years lage cancer laga manifestation ola ole to simple form de do cancer patient kan ni bisi bak to weight loss bisi dage over the time khabon na bare weight loss ho ase inia kan bisi aro alag alag presentation de tako pare gao bekai matha bekai komo bekai iniga hi pain which is not cured by any medications iniga la prolong jaise gole to aman cancer kan bi suspect korina screen koribo lage iniga la
Okay, so sir, kinega detect kribo? How do we detect and screen non-communicable disease?
Oye, edo amakan patient kan brado clinically nijo laga bimar detect korobol do na jinibo. Takan ko anisna amakan osode hospital da ado problem idia ko anisna khasi ase pain ase fever ase ko bra hai. Edo ase takan nijo gorde edo bimar ase to takan ko na bare. Cancer laga bi idia ko anisna it's a long duration bimar ase na jinibo ki hoy ase na ami digestion ni problem ase ne ki latrine urine bia da kile to enigai suspect kona tawai khai dake pharmacy bra ina na korbo lage next time bra aji bra loi gena ini patient kan ge dui kobole mon jai ki bimar gao de oloman lamba hoise ek din dui din la bukhar karni hoy adat hoi ja bra pharmacy bra bi tawai khai hoile bi lamba hoy ase tawai bra kam na gore to immediately report ko lage hospital aro clinics osor de kote bi hobi not necessary government de report ko lagi do noy private clinics and hospitals and nursing home kan bishi ase kote lebi jabo lage simple NCD amakan yede screening gurado blood sugar aro BP aro man anthropometric measurement goe height weight edu kan sa edu hi ase yede edu brai detect korne first time ase gole amakan retesting garni bi mate after 1-2 weeks kilo le initial de man paise goina man dawai di boido bi noy monitor korbo BP olibi sugar olibi and there are many other blood tests amakan confirm korobole to inega la simple tool amakan government level hospital level de screen korobole la do inega edu khani ase sugar laga BP laga aro measurement so far cancer laga screening kan iman facility na dakar ba routinely na kore amakan I think Nagaland every government hospital de iman routinely do na kore amakan maybe over the years edu laga bi facility ai jobo pare aste nega
Okay, तो सर अपनी इतना क्वानिशना टेस्ट ग्रुप ले तो मन फैसिलिटीज नहीं तो अपने खान स्टेट गवर्नमेंट खान की इतना लगाओ पड़े अपील करेंगे ऐसा नहीं because अमी खान पब्लिक खान ना था का मानो भी बिशेष है तो what they do is that they come here to the district hospital for all this checkup तो गवर्नमेंट पर भी तो एकता स्टेट नागालैंड स्टेट एकता होई नहीं निया फैसिलिटीज तो थागी वो लगे ना होए इतना लगाओ पड़े की कोई सर
ओए that's a very valid question इदो गाने गवर्नमेंट पर भी promote kore ase do NCD do all national level laga project ase scheme ase edu bra central level bra kiman aibo edu fund sanction hobi edu laga do utilize kore ase idia go anisna sugar check korobole bi ame kan ke machine digena ase government department bra aro BP check kurule bi BP machine kan dine ase measurement kan kurule bi height scale weight scale kan sob digene ase basic amakan check kurula do
স্যার আপনি আপনার কথা কাটি আছে বাট ইয়েস আপনি কোৱা নিচিনা ছোট মতো হালাটো টেষ্ট কৰিলে তো আছে হোৱাট এবাউট ক্যান্সাৰ
cancer laga ami to my knowledge ami brado cancer screening kan do man na kore edo bra besi ba cancer prevalent ko anisna maiki kan la do womb aro cervical cancer hobo gynecologist kan bra maybe in some places ta kan routinely noile bi ekbar bar swab kan loy eneka gotine bi suspected cases ase not necessary every patient ke sai jaise gole do especially aman civil hospital level do ek din de 100 200 patient screen kori ta bole sosta noy you need manpower especially you need the facilities also you need time also edo bra it one stop to na bara jali bi those suspected cases laga do edo swab kan batai time to time and beyond that biopsy kan ki lagi jaise gole do we usually refer them to higher centers itu laga itu bi I'm sure over the years assist with manpower with facilities ai jau aman government bra ini ala umid ase
okay so sir how do we prevent and manage them
oi itu prevention aro management aha dem ami oloman not medical specific egla moi kobole mon nai kile gole NCD non communicable disease ida aman ko ala ase transfer kurala bimar no hoy nijorge ola la ase itu bra itu prevent kurubole to amakan grassroots level by start kurubo lage at the initial stage risk factor koise amakan risk factor aman koise tobacco ase alcohol ase unhealthy living aro lifestyle phalba exercise na dake mota pan dake aro pollution beshi ase tade bra start hobo lage first step to tade garne health department medical department hi lage edu laga noy every government department lage tade including the public in fact are the backbone to curb that risk factors to itu start kurubole la in my own knowledge family bra start hobo ekta do family de aman as a naga society everyone mogan edu educate nokora no hai parents kan bra to family de hi first edu risk factors laga prevention edu khaile ki hobo edu hoile ki hobo enega laga to family bra start hobo lage then you have a social gatherings kan ase ta debi inala awareness dibo pare and most importantly Nagaland as a church are the best platform for any awareness tade medical personnel ke matibi nole ba respective government nole bi respective personal topic karne matibi and then aware ko dibi educate ko dibi edu risk factor hi first tade block koise gole agi de bimar do beshi control kori jabula ase and similarly kiman kilo gole idia apni ko anisna government bra sanction na ha no hoy na dia no hoy na dakha no hoy but kiman population garne dibo aji 10 jun garne sanction aise gole bimar manwan kali 20 jun olabo risk factor control kora nai gole do 50 jun aro bimar olabo edu sanction to kiman hat tak dibo government brabe edula ase to lessen the burden ekta burden government ge bi department ge bi oloman aram kurule dibole laga do ami aga nijo public aro self individual bai nijola lifestyle change kurubo lage inya hoise gole financially obi socio economic impact phale obi I'm sure edo government ge especially department ge edo burden to komti ho jabo so that with kiman sanction accord korise kiman pataise approve korise edo bra kiman individual ke sabole ase edo bhal ba sabo parbo ida 10 jon garni pata sanction bra 50 jon ke sabole to divided ho jaise gole to not enough edo to government failure ase nogobo edo to public failure ase individual failure ase NGOs la failure ase edo na edo garne ami laise to aman odai government ke blame korobo department ke blame korobo edo noy sometimes aman nijo bi reflect korobo lage amagan brai nijo care koise gole iman burden na di dibo so that those really in need bimar already hoi ja kan garne edo facility avail koro rakhise gole bal ba jabo parbo department me
তো আপনি এটা কোৱা নিচিনা the best place for awareness for the public is church তো আপনি ইনিকা কইছে তো district hospital brabe apne kan ininga laga awareness program kan churches kan noil bi colony kan de bi uthai ne asa nai
yes we do I do record te maintain kore na kore edu ami kobo na pare just recently also we had a camping health camp dagise tipo parde all church te so it's individually aro ekta certain tribe ne be certain group karne kora no hai edu to colony karne sob karne population ekta karni kura ase edu nisnai kuri dake not only in Dimapur Kohima every district se kore especially aman chief medical officer laga side takan rural areas te beshi kam kore to edu pra takan beshi edu laga not only NCDs other bimar khan lawali bi time to time central ba ki topic aibo edu nisna awareness to hodai dake aru apni ko nisna church is the only best platform for us edu pra church gathering kura dinde to hodai awareness to di dake edu
Okay, then how prevalent are NCD in our region or state compared to Northeast average?
Edu hoy prevalence ami percentage to kobo na barebo because it keeps on changing update hoi dagi kali prevalent region del noi gene among the diseases among the population gole do NCDs constitute around 50 to 60% of the disease burden edu ase de amakan agi de gwanis na TB lagise HIV lagise edu bra moribo bhavna kore hoile bi treatment ase edu khan do certain bimar khan NCDs khan silent killer nisna ase itia manifest na korobo long duration time lage na aste pokra khai da khanisna body do khai di ina gon last gao do bishi hoi jab jide hospital de ahe patient laga niyam by then advanced stage ho jane bi daki cancer hobi diabetes hobi odu time de tawai khan bra control kurbo na parala stage bi ai jay to cancer laga bi ami khan kiman ki kurbo pare cancer holi bi alag type ase kono bado surgery kurbo pare bole last stage 1 2 de kurbo pare dite kurbo pase bole 3 4 de hoise gole nothing much can be done chemotherapy palliative treatment goi mohan chemotherapy dio pare radiotherapy those are not curable holi bi apni ge quality of life all of didibo all of sal garne or fortunately if miracles happen obviously you might recover from them edu laga ase edu bra percentage as such state wise national wise to ami in mathematics arithmetic means to ami kobo na pare hole bi amar Nagaland de beshi prevalent ase age group bi amagan these NCDs are supposed to be the older age group diseases 70 80 de hobole takha ase hole bi ida to amagan dikhi ase heart attack 20 plus de bi ai jay na diabetes detect kore ase people may say heredity ase family de run kora ase family ekla de run kora la noy heredity is one thing genetic is one thing genetic to apni natural individual genes ase apni la bi alag takibo apni la baba la bi alag takibo to baba ke takhanai koina apni ke na takibo edu noy to genetic causes beshi ase especially to NCD bemar khan la do genetic ho ja do aman eku koro na pare inega laga percentage wise ami kobo na pare lebi beshi prevalent ase Nagaland de to screening aru detection beshi important ase
All right sir to last message ami khan laga janta ami khan laga viewers khan ge ki message dibole munjai
message to edu ase in summary ami ko munja do NCD aji aman discuss kura non communicable diseases ami ange already koi dise edu kinagala bimar ase the heart bimar hobi diabetes hobi do one beshi prevalent ase in every nook and corner every district every population te beshi ase silently edu bra apni gan ekta dun first step lobole laga do risk factor la level de tobacco consumption alcohol consumption edu individual bra effort banabo lage NGOs and churches will play a big role at least in our Nagaland edu khan awareness kiman dibo edu saman edu curb kuro barbo rokhabo parebo edu rokhabo parise gole do piche laga do eko chintai nai tawai la level do medical department rabi enough sabo parbo hoili bi overload ho jaise gole do medical department ek lage claim kuru labi nai edu amagan kiman sanction ahe emani kuru pare edu la nisna je edu bra risk factor individual level NGOs and churches level they do first control koribi then it will lessen the burden on the government as well as the department edu janai dim
Thank you so much Dr. apni bra apni laga kimti time digine apni han laga viewers khan ami han laga public khan kane itia NCD non communicable disease laga opore bal bra explain kude ane thank you very much okay viewers that was in conversation with Dr. Manwin Konyak nodal officer Dimapur NCD iri tai bra bi janai dishe ki main cause of non communicable disease to ami khan laga lifestyle bra bi hoi etu ikla noine ami khan alcohol nohelbi tobacco nohelbi pollution laga opore bi it plays a vital role ami khan tu han laga non communicable disease khan do chhari dibule ase guli do ami khan etu laga lifestyle ami khan khalwa laga habit to bi ami khan chharibo lage koi ri bi janai di ase etu ikla noine churches khan nohile bi NGOs khan tahan plays a very important vital role in our society iniga awareness program dile he ami khan public khan etu laga upor laga importance laga upor bi janiu paribo koine ase itia to district hospital de BP check kurule nohile bi sugar test kurule nohile bi height and weight khan check kurule laga facilities se ase hoile bi dangor bimar jiniga itia cancer khan test kurule laga itia to nai koine janai de ase hoile bi tahan bi government ke mangi ase ki laga scheme nohile bi funds khan paise gule etu laga facilities bi ami khan laga district hospital de ane bole tahan bi koshish kure ase koine bi janai de ase etu ekla nohoi gine itia ami khan jani pai ase ki man power bi bishi komte ase to gane itia government khan ke bi appeal kurule mun jai ki district hospital do bishi important ekta hospital ase ko nishna de khali ami khan Dimapurians khan karne nohoi holibi ami khan laga tinta district in and around Dimapur Chumugeri ma aro Newland noholibi dusra district dusra state par bi ahi gine ide check up kora manu khan bi bishi ase kile gole do thaga manu khan ekla nohoi gine na thaga manu khan bi ide bishi ase to this is the right place kile gole do government laga ho para tahan bi dam khan bi kunba dehe charges loi kunba de charges bi na loi to inega nishna na thaga manu khan karne to bishi modot kore to district hospital bra to government bar bi itu laga upor de side ine man power no holibi machineries khan lagi ase golibi dishi gole bishi bhalbo mohalla public laga duk tu huni dishi gole bishi khushi pabo goine bi janai di ase itia gane man ase for more news and update keep watching Global Window. This is your reporter Yaungamla with my camera person Anungai Jami reporting from District Hospital Dimapur.
Boss क्या बात है